I know you don't feel good today, so I'm gonna take care of everything. You just lay down and get some rest.
Thank you.
Babe, are the dishes in the dishwasher clean or dirty?
They're clean.
All right, get some rest. You want me to put them away?
Yes, please.
All right. Babe,
Yes?
do you know where the TV remote's at?
By your seat.
All right, get some rest, get some rest. I'm not seeing it on the seat. All right, I'll look. Sorry. What do you want for dinner tonight?
Whatever you want.
Okay. I was thinking like taco bowls or something.
Sounds amazing.
All right. Are the clothes in the hamper clean or dirty?
They're dirty.
All right. I'm gonna wash them.
Okay.
Real quick, which one do you wash it with? This one or
It says detergent.
detergent?
Detergent.
Got it. Thanks. Do I pour it in the left side or the right side?
On the left side.
Okay, sorry. Get some sleep. Get some rest. Why are you still awake?